Welcome to this video. We will guide you through connecting Akuvox exit buttons to door phones for door opening. Akuvox offers three types of exit buttons: EB11, EB12, and EB13. In this video, we will use terminal blocks and 12-volt power adapter for connection. EB11 features a brushed stainless steel faceplate and a durable, vandal-resistant mechanical button with a built-in LED indicator. EB12 features a brushed aluminum alloy faceplate and a green mechanical push button. EB13 is a touchless infrared exit sensor with a brushed stainless steel faceplate and an LED indicator. This video covers 5 parts: the connection guidance for 3 types of exit buttons and the configurations of the door phone. The first 3 parts describe the wiring process. Since exit buttons connect to door phones via the input interface, configure the input before using them. To learn about the input configuration, you can skip directly to the 4th part. The 5th part talks about how to supply power to the button via the door phone instead of using a power adapter. Let's start with the EB11 connection. Ensure not to power on devices during the wiring. Please refer to the wiring diagram. For power supply, the button should be connected to a 12-volt power adapter with a rated current of 2 ampere. The 2 red wires represents normally open, NO and COM1. The 2 black wires are normally closed, NC and COM2, and the 2 blue wires are for LED connection. The NO wire remains open when the button is not pressed. When the button is pressed, the circuit closes, allowing current to flow and triggering a connected device, such as an electric door lock. The NC wire is closed in its normal state. When the button is pressed, the circuit opens, interrupting the flow of current. Select the wiring method based on the actual scenario. This video demonstrates the first method for opening a door. In this case, the button's indicator light remains on when not pressed. Pick up any pair of the blue and black wires. Connect them to the positive and negative wires of the power adapter respectively. Connect another pair of the blue and black wires together for the indicator light. Once powered on, the blue indicator light turns on. It turns off when the button is pressed. Connect the remaining 2 red wires to the door phone's input and G&D interfaces. No specific sequence is required. Ensure connections are secure. Let's continue to connect EB12 to a door phone. EB12 has 4 wires, representing NO, COM1, NC, and COM2. Select the wires based on the actual scenario. For example, if using the red wires, when the button is pressed, the circuit closes, triggering the door to open. If using the black wires, the circuit closes in a normal state. Press the button to cut off power. This video uses the red wires. Connect them to the input and G&D interfaces of the door phone. No specific sequence is required. Lastly, let's connect the EB13. Check the wiring diagram first. For power supply, the button should be connected to a 12-volt power adapter with a rated current of 2 ampere. Select the wiring method based on the actual scenario. This video demonstrates the first method for opening a door. Pick up the red and black wires of the button. Connect them to the positive and negative wires of the power adapter. Then, connect the yellow NO wire and the white COM wire to the door phone's input and G&D interfaces. Ensure connections are secure. After proper connections, let's start configuring the door phone. Power on the device and scan its IP by IP scanner. Enter the IP in a browser and enter the username and password. Admin by default. Click Access Control, Input. Specify which input interface is used for connection and ensure that it is activated. Select the relay to be triggered that is connected to the door lock. Submit the settings. Power on the door phone and the button. The button's indicator light is on. Press EB11 to open the door. Press EB12 to open the door. Wave your hand near the EB13. Its indicator light flashes red and the door opens. As we mentioned before, if the door phone such as our 20A supports 12-volt power output, you can use it to provide power. Please note that the power output requirements vary by model. Check the specification guidance in the video description. Please refer to the wiring diagram. Connect the blue and black wires into the door phone's relay A and GND interfaces. No specific sequence is required. If connected to relay A's and C, the indicator light of the button remains on until it is pressed. If connected to relay A's and O, the light turns on when pressed. Apart from configuring the input on the door phone's web interface, you need to activate the relay power output. Click Access Control, Relay. Find the 12-volt power output section. Select Always to continuously provide power to the button. Power on the door phone and the button's indicator light is on. Press it to open the door. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Akuvox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.